Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vanilla bean custard Danish. First, combine 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Next, cut in 1 cup of very cold unsalted butter and 1 cup of cold milk until a shaggy dough forms. Do not overmix. Cover the dough and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. While the dough chills, let's prepare the luscious vanilla bean custard. In a medium saucepan, whisk together 4 large egg yolks, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of whole milk and 1/2 cup of heavy cream that has been brought to a simmer. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly, until the custard thickens to a pudding-like consistency. Transfer to a bowl, cover with plastic wrap directly on the surface, and chill completely. Now for the fun part, assembling your danishes. On a lightly floured surface, roll out your chilled dough into a large rectangle about 1/4 inch thick. Spread the completely cooled vanilla bean custard evenly over 2/3 of the dough. Fold the uncustard-covered third over the middle, then fold the remaining third over that. Cut into squares or rectangles, then shape as desired. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until golden brown and puffed. To complete your delicious vanilla bean custard danishes, let's make a simple glaze. Whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk until smooth and pourable. Once your danishes have cooled slightly, drizzle the glaze generously over them. These are best enjoyed fresh, perhaps with a cup of coffee. They're truly a delightful treat. For an effortless way to keep your kitchen clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.